This
you
is
make
called
one
Death
too?
Wish. I'm just looking at the birds. That's the one with the
Y'all should make one about basketball.
But there's no birds.
Yes, there is. Do you not see that bird? Look at that bird.
Oh yeah, I see it. Don't you dare. Y'all should make a video about basketball.
These nuts. Oh, there's
Boy,
another
you
bird.
nasty.
There's another bird, bro. Look at that bird.
There's one over there too.
Look, there's a bird. Boy, there's a bird. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the bird.
Oh, there's a bird right there.
Bird.
There's a bird right there. It's leaving.
It's bird. Bird. It's bird.
Trash.
Josh, you gonna make a video about basketball one day?
Basketball is life.
Talk to the basketball. Don't talk to me.
Basketball is life. Basketball is life.
It's gonna be a fresh cut.
It's birds.
Go subscribe to the bird. His name is Zayden Hernandez. He has 4 subscribers. I have 2. So please. What would you do if you saw a fellow YouTuber standing in front of you? Alright guys, that's just a sequel. I'll be back.
Bye.
Water bottle flip challenge. Look, water bottle flip challenge accepted. Why, hello.
Bird.
Look, Bubba, look. Water bottle challenge accepted.
Okay, now let's go do it.